Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add music to Instagram story. If you're using Instagram and you want to add music to your Instagram story, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your Instagram app to prevent issues. So open your App Store or Play Store and you have to look for search and simply search for Instagram here. And you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates like that, you just have to try to update your app. So after updating, you have to go back. So once your update has been completed, open your Instagram app here. So now if you want to add music to your Instagram story, you can just go to this post story option to create a new story. Just tap on add your story option. And here you can go to this camera option to create your own story, or you can also select anyone from your gallery. So let's say I'm going to select my gallery here. So once I have selected, you'll get an audio or the music option here, or sometime it might be in this section. So you must have to select audio or the music option. So just select that option and you have to select the music which you want to set. So let's check out any music here. So you can also get a preview of any music by tapping on that. Once you have tapped, it will start playing. So you just have to select any music. So once you have selected, just have this done on the next option. And here your music will be set. Just have on done. Or you can also adjust the music from here. So just have a done option here. So once you have done, just tap on this your story option and it will be added to your own story. So in this way you can easily add music to your Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.